Hey, welcome back, everybody, to Coffee Sometimes Tea. Marcello and Jennifer is my partner in crime. I like to always start off with, quick little stories and stuff. So everybody always says, "Hey, Marcello, why do you like coffee so much? You're such a coffee freak." I just love it, man. I love all kinds of coffee, whether it be on the weak side or the strong side. Colombian coffee, Turkish coffee, coffee from Argentina. But my favorite number one coffee, as you guys know, is what? Death Wish coffee. They're the coffee of choice that I love. I love their hard brew. Their strong brew is one of my favorites. So I'm going to drop a link down below for you guys to go check them out. We're going to go ahead and jump into some videos today. We're going to be discussing ChatGPT-5. Okay. It's the new up and coming, taking over ChatGPT-4, man. It's moving that quick, guys. So we're gonna jump right into it. So ChatGPT-5, the future of AI language creation. Okay. Let's go ahead and switch to the next screen here. What is ChatGPT-5? Okay. ChatGPT-5 is a language model developed by OpenAI. Okay. Same thing as ChatGPT-3 and 4. It has 10 times the parameters of its predecessor, ChatGPT-3. And I mean, 10 times, that's huge, right? It could generate, coherent human-like text in response to prompts. We're going to be showing you guys a little bit more deeper once it comes out. We're just touching the surface of this. I just kind of want to give you guys a quick, brief overview of ChatGPT-5, okay, and what it can do. So why use ChatGPT-5? Okay, it's going to offer the highest quality text generator. Okay, it's going to also be used for a variety of applications. It's going to be cost effective for content creation. Okay, these are the main things, or some of the main things as of now. Now, when ChatGPT-5 comes out, we may have to tweak this video because of the way how fast it's moving. It's incredible. So may have to tweak the video soon when it comes out, but for right now, let's dive deep into this stuff here. How to use ChatGPT-5. So we want to choose a platform that supports the 5. Okay. Enter your prompt or topic. Then you want to specify the length of the text you want to generate. Then you want to review and edit these texts as needed. Okay. We're going to dive deeper into it as soon as the ChatGPT-5 does come out. We'll do a quick little comparison to 4 and 5. If you've used ChatGPT in the past, it's kind of the same method. It's just going to go deeper. Okay. So tips on how to use ChatGPT-5. So start with a clear prompt. Okay. Meaning delete everything, start brand new. You want to edit and refine the text as you go through. So use ChatGPT-5 to generate ideas and not final copy. All right. So keep asking it questions, keep regenerating, keep throwing things out there for it to do, and you want to follow that model all the way through until you get to your final copy that you want. Right. So don't be satisfied with the first part of it. Just keep testing it, keep running through it. You can always go back and grab it and take a look at it. You don't have to keep it. You know what I mean? Just keep rolling through. Applications of GPT-5 is going to be content creation, customer service automation, AI chatbots. That's huge, guys. And language translations. We're pretty big on AI chatbots. There's chatbots for everything. Okay, we're going to be diving deeper into that along the way. What I want you guys to do is smash that button down there at the bottom for the like button for our YouTube channel. I would be grateful for that as well. That'd be awesome. And then we're going to dive deeper into ChatGPT bots. Okay, that's going to come down the road. Also, join us on our school. You'll see it down at the bottom, a link for our school app that I want you guys to join. We'll be doing a lot of free presentation in there to the community. And then, obviously, once you guys join, we'll be doing a live class as well, which you guys are being invited to. The big thing is here is the AI chatbots, which are growing bigger and bigger. So the limitations of ChatGPT, okay, 5. It can generate biased text, obviously. It can only generate text in languages that it has been trained on, and it's not compatible of the true understanding or reasoning. So what happened in the past when ChatGPT first came out, it was such a wide variety. People were asking to, cheat the system. What banks do this? What banks do that? So they had to revamp it. That's why 3.5 came out. So each time it's just revamping it and closing the loop more. So it's giving you a more detailed and more defined answer that you could go out and use. Okay, so it's not the Wild West. They're starting to tailor it down. Okay. Um, Another thing that is the future and development of AI is language generation. So AI models will continue to improve. Okay. The ChatGPT-5 is just the latest step in the continuing trend that it's going through, and the languages generated will become more accessible and affordable. Okay. You know, I don't know if they're going to increase the price or not, but ChatGPT-4 that we use is $20 a month. Okay. Forgo that Starbucks. Go to Walmart. Buy coffee, grind it yourself, and make it. You don't have to go to them. I guys love your Starbucks. I get it. I get it. Trust me, I get it. But once you start brewing your own coffee, we'll get into that. You're gonna love it. It's gonna make your life easier, and I'll give you all the little fixings and secrets to what Starbucks uses. We're gonna ask ChatGPT for. So stay tuned. It's always improving, guys. Always improving. ChatGPT-5 is like I said, it's a step up. It's just like the new models and the new cars that come out. Okay. Which is pretty cool. So ethical considerations of ChatGPT-5. Okay. It can generate biased or harmful text, so you got to be careful with that. Ethical considerations must be taken into account when using ChatGPT-5. Okay. And the languages generated must be used responsibly. Okay. They are making improvements toward the bot. So stay tuned on ethical parts of ChatGPT-5 once it comes out. So the conclusion is 5 is going to be the future of AI language generation. Okay. It's going to offer a powerful text generation compatibilities, and also the language generation is going to have a wide range of applications. It's the future, guys. It's coming. That's what we're here for. That's what Jen and I are here for. Okay. That's why we developed Coffee Sometimes Tea, because people are afraid of AI, guys. People are afraid on how to use ChatGPT. Don't be afraid of it. We want you guys to embrace it. That's what we are here to show you. We're here to show you how to use ChatGPT the correct way to increase the volume of your business and to increase the customer base. Okay. To reach the people that aren't being touched through ChatGPT. We want you to embrace it. We're going to show you how to embrace that. Okay. So again, thank you for hanging out for us till the end of this video. Smash that like button for me. And also, please join our school so we can dig deeper into what we're talking about with AI. Thank you again, you guys. It was my pleasure as always. Jen's in the background developing these amazing slides for us using AI and ChatGPT. But keep rolling through, you guys. Keep fighting hard. And please, if you have any questions, feel free to drop it down. If you have anything you want us to check out or take a look at, please drop it down there in the lines below, and we'll go ahead and check those out for you and do a slide presentation for you. All right, guys, you guys have a great day. And again, let's go. Have a good one. Take care. Thanks you for joining.